Here's one of my Altoid tin shrines that I've been making to honor departed loved ones. And I'll be teaching a class in this online in October. This one's to honor Ruth Bader Ginsberg. So we've got the seal of the Supreme Court there and the scales of justice above. And then inside, we have Ruth in a picture frame here. And I designed this little 9 with the female symbol. She says, I'm sometimes asked, when will there be enough women on the Supreme Court? And my answer is, when there are 9. People are shocked, but there have been 9 men and nobody ever raised a question about that. And so this has her collar here, and then the Supreme Court on the back with the Statue of Justice, and I found this gorgeous little piece of abalone. So that's for Ruth Bader Ginsberg, and I'll be teaching this online in October for Day of the Dead.